this video, we're going to show you how to replace a striker bolt on your Ram 2500. This is going to be located in the bed. Let's get started. Using a T45, we're going to remove the striker bolt. Remove the bolt. I'm going to put a tiny bit of thread locker on this bolt. Install the bolt and snug it down. Get it nice and tight. Check that the tailgate works. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.